Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Trust GXT 498 Forta gaming headset. This headset has been generating some buzz lately, so I've been putting it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk design and features. The Forta comes in two sleek colors, black and white. I have the black version here, and I have to say, it looks sharp. The matte black finish with shiny accents gives it a stylish yet understated look that I really appreciate. It's an over-ear headset with soft leatherette earpads and a cushioned headband, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions. Plus, it's made from recycled materials, so it's eco-friendly too. One neat feature is the detachable microphone. This means you can use the Forta as regular headphones when you're out and about without looking like you're about to drop into a gaming session. Now, let's talk about audio quality. The Forta surprised me with its crisp and clear sound. Despite its affordable price tag, the 50mm audio drivers deliver impressive audio performance. Whether I was playing games or listening to music, the sound was immersive and distortion-free. I tested the Forta with a variety of games, and it performed admirably. The stereo sound may not offer the spatial awareness of higher-end headsets, but it still provided an engaging gaming experience. And let's not forget about the microphone. While it may not be the most advanced mic out there, it gets the job done. It's omnidirectional and features echo cancellation, ensuring clear communication with your teammates. Overall, I have to say I'm impressed with the Trust GXT 498 Forta. It offers fantastic value for its price, with solid build quality, stylish design, and impressive audio performance. Whether you're gaming on a budget or just looking for a reliable headset, the Forta is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Trust GXT 498 Forta. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.